Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for January 21st and February 2nd. I want to talk first about the system that's impending storm in the east. Okay, our system here, this is the new GFS, and it's just, is this the wrong map? Yep, okay. And it's just coming ashore in the west, and you can see then it organizes here across the southern plains. This is Friday tonight at 10 p.m. and then we go forward in time, and then you see where the 540 line is here across southern New Jersey and lower across Pennsylvania border. But this here is snow, this is rain, here's our low. And then we go through the period, and you can see now we're at 7 p.m. Saturday, and snow moves into the northeast and mid-Atlantic. Okay, and then we get to 10 p.m. Now it's like raining here across New Jersey and Pennsylvania and pouring south. And we can see like the line here, the 540 line here is now pushing to the north. And then we go to Sunday 4 a.m. Then we go to Saturday 7 a.m. And you start seeing there's some mixed precipitation here across the region. And then we go, I want to back up here. And then the GFS, the new GFS shows little changeover back, maybe a mix here, as the system pulls away, and this is like 10 a.m. on Sunday. And then we go to 4 p.m. Sunday, and it's gone. Okay, and now we're going to look now at, this is the operational GFS. Wait, that's the wrong map. This is the operational GFS, and here's the system. Moves from the Rockies here, gathers over the southern plains. And then we go forward. Now this will be 1 a.m. Saturday. This looks like heavy snow here across this region. Rain to the south. And then we go forward. This will be 1 p.m. Saturday. Snow moves into central and western Pennsylvania. Ice to the south. This will be heavy rain and possible storms. And then we go to, I want to back this up a little bit right here. This is 1 a.m. Sunday. It looks like it's raining hard here across the parts of the Mid-Atlantic pouring south. This is snow, heavy snow here. And then we go, now the GFS, the operational GFS, shows a changeover back to snow here as the system moves out. And this is European, kind of showing the same thing. Notice where the 540 line is right here. This would be snow, this would be rain, storms. And then we come to 1 p.m. Saturday again. Snow is a little slower, or precipitation you could say is slower moving in Pennsylvania. It's just entering western Pennsylvania. And then we get to 7 p.m. on Saturday, and it looks like the 540 line here is just moving in northern New Jersey. Looks like some rain to the south, snow to the north. And then it pushes to the rain snow line. You can see here the 540 one. This is marked clearly on the European. And then let's see if the European has any kind of changeover. Possible, oops. Might be a little bit of a changeover here. The 540 line across here, but it still looks like rain. So it's pretty much over by the afternoon. So as this winter storm pulls away from the coast, cold and blustery conditions are expected from the Great Lakes, Ohio Valley, and Mid-Atlantic on the northeast. Then we'll have this system here merging into the west, And this will cause snow across parts of the Great Basin, the Rockies, as well as the Northern Plains by Monday. So we'll go in, let her ahead. We'll go ahead in time. Start seeing this Monday. 540 line right here. This would be snow. We look at the other models. This is the Operation GFS, shows it better. This would be all snow. And then we look at the experimental GFS for Monday. The snow is still out here across the Rockies, but the operation has it further to the west. So also we have a potential for heavier rain. We're going to go through this. Let's see if I can find a map to show this. All right, this is the European. Now this forecasts some rain later on for lower Mississippi Valley inland, and then you can see the 540 line here. And we'll go forward in time. This could bring another batch of snow. Oops, this is the wrong map. Possible snow across here. We'll look at the other models. They show a little better. This is Operation GFS, snow across this region, north of the 540 line. More snow. This is 1 p.m. next Wednesday. So there could be still more activity coming to the eastern U.S. Okay, now we're going to look at the period for January 24th to 28th. And you can see the pattern becomes amplified as we have this ridge pumping up here, develops a trough across the east central states, the model good agreement. As we go to the 28th, you can see the models all in good agreement. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, anomalies of at least 6 degrees above normal, and then below normal temperatures here. And again, forecast anomalies of at least 6 degrees below normal. Now I want to look at the temperature maps. This is what some of the models are showing in the temperature department for this. Let me see, I think I saved it. Look at the GFS, 612. Now this is European, 612 degrees below normal, but I'm being conservative right now. 612 degrees above normal here. And for precipitation, I'm calling for below normal precipitation from the plains to the Pacific coast. And the forecast of occurrence is 35%, and we have above normal temperature, above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 45%. Now, as we get to the later in the period, you're going to see this. This is like remarkable. I'm going to show you some maps. This is for the 29th to the 2nd. Now, this upper low here across Hudson Bay is forecast to sink a little bit south. But as we go through the period, you're going to see here, this is the GFS. GFS has it coming down here across this region here, but we're going to take a look at the European ensembles. This is really deep. It sinks it right down here across Hudson Bay and the upper Mississippi Valley, Ohio Valley. So with this pattern, it's also forecasting very cold temperatures, and I'll show you that. This is what the GFS shown for this period, or the European. Look at this. 12 to 18 degrees below normal. GFS not as severe. This is the European. Also, it's also shown 12 to 18 degrees below normal here. So this is the pattern becomes more amplified during this period. Let me get back to the map. Becomes more amplified. We have a strong ridge here, deep trough here. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting, and I don't have the map up. Let me get it. Hold on. I am forecasting above normal temperatures here. I'm forecasting anomaly 612 degrees above normal, and then also 612 degrees below normal here. The European is showing higher anomalies, maybe as close to 18 degrees below normal, but that could very well pan out. We'll see how that goes. And for precipitation, I'm calling for a little change in the precipitation anomalies from the previous period. That's the long-range weather forecast discussion for January 21st through February 2nd. Thanks for coming, Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.